Adam, you've been in San Francisco for the past week covering the big JP Morgan Healthcare Conference. What's the mood of biotech investors in attendance?
I think the mood here has been, it's been upbeat, it's been joyous, it's been bullish. The great weather that we've had out here has certainly helped, and so has the Bristol Myers $2.5 billion acquisition of Biotech for its Hep C drug, which happened right before the conference started. That really kind of set the happy tone before the start of the meeting. The biotech sector sort of outperformed the broader markets this week, and I'd say the only people walking around this conference here unhappy were the people who were short stocks. Hep C definitely dominated the discussion and the buzz. All the big pharma players here, at the conference were sort of asked about their future plans in terms of hepatitis C, and you saw, stocks like Idenix Pharmaceuticals and Achillion Pharmaceuticals. They each have unpartnered Hep C drugs, promising Hep C drugs. You saw those stocks go crazy during this conference. So that was a big headline of the conference. The downside of that, I'd say, is that you're getting a little bit of a hepatitis C bubble, as I like to say. The prices for these assets that are being paid are really high, and not all these drugs are going to make it. So it's still unclear how that whole thing is going to shake out. I really like Celgene. I think so in terms of like large cap biotech stocks, I know that Celgene offers some really strong 2012 guidance, and they've got a lot of important catalysts coming up. They impressed me. And I think maybe you're seeing the first kind of evidence of drug launches that are successful and not failures. We've had a lot of problems in the last year of companies not able to launch drugs successfully, but I think we've seen the comments and performance of companies like Dendreon, Intermune, and Accorda this week. We saw some good numbers from them. I think maybe we're seeing some evidence that in 2012 drug launches may be more positive than negative.